Jack Taylor here, inviting you to one of our Sons events. Now, we've had about 15 of these. Never has there been one without God coming and changing lives, adding lives to lives, gathering together to gather together. It's amazing. These are not teaching sessions. These are fellowship sessions. One of my sons has said, if the kingdom is anything, and the kingdom is everything, it is relational, supernaturally relational. These conferences, and this one, June 17 through 20, in the DFW area. Get the specifics on the website, jackrtaylor.com. See you there.